In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily insert a tick or cross symbol into your Microsoft Word document using a straightforward method. Whether you're creating a checklist, a form, or just need these symbols for any other purpose, this guide will simplify the process for you. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to have your Microsoft Word document open. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and launch Microsoft Word and open the file where you'd like to insert the symbols. Getting this right at the start ensures we're on the same page, literally and figuratively. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top of your screen where all those useful tabs like File, Home, and Insert reside. We're particularly interested in the Insert tab today. Now with a simple click, open the Insert tab and look for the symbol option. It typically hangs out on the right side of the toolbar. When you find it, give it a click. This part is crucial because the symbol option is where all the magic happens. But don't stop there. Immediately after, a drop-down menu will appear. Select More Symbols at the bottom of this menu. This will open up a whole new window. In this new window, you'll be greeted by an assortment of symbols, which may look a bit overwhelming at first glance. But fear not, because the next step will narrow things down considerably. Look for the Font drop-down menu in this dialog box. Right now, it's probably set to normal text or another default font. Click on it and a list of fonts will appear. You'll want to scroll through this list until you find Wingdings 2. Select it. Wingdings 2 is a treasure trove of symbols and is our go-to font for accessing beloved features like the tick and cross. Upon switching to Wingdings 2, you'll notice that the symbols in the selection box change dramatically. It may look like total gibberish at first, but don't worry. Scroll through these symbols carefully. Among them, you'll find both the tick and cross icons, which by now should be clearly visible without much trouble. Once you locate the symbols you need, click on the tick or cross and then hit Insert. With just that simple action, the symbol will appear in your Word document exactly where your cursor was placed. If you want to insert multiple symbols, you can keep repeating this process. And there you have it. You've successfully added the symbols to your document with minimal fuss. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out more tutorials for even more handy tips. Happy editing!